Hello everyone. Today is DevLog 12. At this moment I haven't uploaded the DevLog 11. And that's high key because I was just too lazy. Okay, I'll upload both of them today. And I'll make sure that I always upload on the same day that I create the video. That's the rule from now on, okay? Okay. But for now, just before starting the video, I was thinking of, do I start working on these doors? Or the bathroom door, specifically. What I was thinking was, um, hmm. Thinking about the storyline. So, you'd wake up, check your phone, and then you have to use the bathroom, right? But the problem is, um, like, do I walk to the bathroom and then use a keycard here? Because there has to be like a reason why you have to go to the basement, right? Or not to the basement, but to the community center of the dorm. And I'm thinking that the player will wake up, go straight to the bathroom, and then they go back here. Or like in the bathroom there's a jump scare with the janitor or something. Um, hmm. Cause in every other scenario, like I'm thinking the general idea is you forget your keycard in the room, you use the bathroom, and then you go back and then you find out you don't have the keycard. And then you have to go downstairs. The issue with, cause like, I kinda want the keycode system to be on the bathroom. However, the issue with that is, like, I don't want to, like, what if a player, okay, so this is what I'm thinking. If you don't lose it in the bedroom, so like say you grab it in the bedroom, and then you go to the bathroom, and then you like drop it in the bathroom, but you like leave it there, and then when you leave, that's when you can't access your dorm anymore. The problem with that is what if the player actually remembers, but I just like force them to not grab it? That doesn't really make sense, you know? Yeah. Hmm. I've gotta I've gotta figure out how to make that happen, but I think for now, I can just start by creating the bathroom. So let's go into Pro Builder. Create cube. So is this Pro Builder? Yeah, this is Pro Builder. Okay. Let's center this on like the grid. -7. Okay, let's do 7.5 and 20.5. Okay, perfect. Okay, we'll fix that later. But let's go to Pro Builder. There we go. Okay, general layout is like bathrooms here and then like some showers. So this will be just a walk-in area. I'm just gonna create like a big room, and then I can divide it up from there. Is there a way to like select all? I'll select all, yeah. Flip face normals, perfect. Yeah, let's just drag this. And remember, we're dragging it one by one so that it maintains the 1 meter square or half meter square. Okay, it doesn't necessarily have to make sense here because we're not going to ever access those rooms. Okay, let's just make this. Okay, this will be a stall or something. Okay. Yeah, let's just drag this back one or two. Whoops. But the bathrooms over here are the toilets. What do I do? The issue is, what am I gonna do? Whoops. Like what am I gonna do like for the pathing of the player? So is the player gonna be able to explore this whole thing? I don't know, but I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. What do I need to do? What needs to be done? Maybe I need to just like finalize the story first before I start creating the bathroom. Okay, let's think about this. You're gonna wake up, you're gonna need to go to the bathroom. Is there a way that I can like have the character bring the key card into the bathroom and make them forget? No, I don't think so. Hmm. Shoot. I'm not sure. What do I do? I guess we can try different things out first and then um, finalize things after we test. Okay, so with this, um, let's make a few showers. Pro builder. Oh my goodness. There we go. That should be good. Oops. Oh, what? There. And then again, even though this is like, obviously, this wouldn't make sense if there was a door right here, like, the player isn't gonna know, so it's fine. I guess let's make one more. What? I can't select this. Why not? That's so weird. I can only select it when I'm closer. Something's wrong. That's so weird. Must be some bug or something, I don't know. Okay. There we go. Some showers. What else? I think that's good for now. I just have to figure out how I'm gonna design, like, let's say a stall. I just have to make it like with proportions to this, so like 2 by 2 or something, and then I can scale it up or down. Yeah. Okay. This should be the bathroom for now. I do have to find some materials. Oh. Okay. Okay. So now the next issue is do I have what do I do? It's getting harder to work on this every day because everything is like so unclear. Like, what do I do? Right now I'm thinking of working on the phone. Do I make it completely GUI or do I just make it a physical thing that the player sees? This is hard. I actually don't know how to make a. Let me see if there's like a way to have. How to make GUI phone Unity. phone. Oh, this is cool. Built-in render pipeline. Extensible. It's pretty cool. Let me just see how to create custom UI for Unity. Like, would you use Figma? UI Creator. You can add interactive elements like text button. You can also define an button text input field. Oh, web view, that's pretty cool. Images. Let's see. A button, not new. Custom editor. Let's see. UI development. I just want to see like what's possible. Like using Unity. Oh wait, Figma. Let me search. I know Figma is like for UI, I think. Figma. Figma is like UI design, right? Design platform for building meaningful products. Interface design. Can you use Figma to create UI for Unity? Unity importer. Powerful tool that only bridges gap between design and development, but also effortlessly binds code. You have really bad time. This is so funny. Figma's Unity streamlines the UI development by direct import. Does not install. Poorly maintained, very difficult to run successfully. Best method to create UI Unity. Maybe I'll watch this YouTube video. Bud Games. Made them from scratch, continued someone else's. In either case, I noticed a lot of them had trouble with UIs whether it's scaling components, optimizing rendering. Note that these are not the official guidelines, but they might not. Excuse me. I'm so confused. How to create. What is this? He looks so smooth. I just wonder, like, where do I even begin to create? Like, where do I create UI elements for Unity? Geeks for geeks. Like, I understand all this, but I want like a what I want is a way to like create like a phone shape or something. I guess I would have to do that in Figma. I've never used Figma, so maybe I should just download it and see what happens. Complete beginner's guide. So Figma. Either way, I need the UI, right? So there's no harm trying this out. So I'll go download. Alright guys, I got Figma, and I'm on this Figma basics thing, but yeah, I don't know. So let's say a phone like looks like this. Can we round the corners? Yeah, we can. 40, 50. Phone. Let's duplicate this. Let's use color. Where's color? Okay. That looks fine. Let's move this up actually. Let's create a circle. feedback. Where's a circle? Or where's size, width? Yeah, let's do 128, 128. And then color. There we go. Looks a little goofy, but it's okay. So this is home button. Home button. Screen. Okay, inside the screen, what do we want? Hmm. 346. Okay, 346. Increase the size. Oh, whoops. I need to increase the font. 130. Boom. I need like an image here. Let's just delete this. Oh, there's no deletes. What do I do after this? Some messages. Do I put frames in frames or rectangles in frames? Wait. Okay. So these will be notifications. This will be like wait. Let's go to notification 1. Let's make a, I don't know. Let's do 130. Wait. 130, 130. Center it. Let's make the background like purple. And text within it. I want to delete this. I want inside this ellipse to have text. M. Can I not drag it inside the ellipse? Guess not. Wait. Why can't I group these together? The M. Let's make this 100 or something. And then M for mom. Hey, how's college? 40. Oh, whoops. 40. And then I want to move this. I wonder why I can't like group it. Okay, I want to select phone screen. What does Figma make? Oh, no, I don't want this. Is there a way I can export only this? Oh, you can just group it like this. Okay. So let's group this. Let's group it. Let's rename this to profile icon. Okay. Now let's try to export this. Export. Export phone. Let's create a new canvas. Canvas, we'll call it phone. Where is it? Rename phone. Let's just see. Now let's import. Let's go to folder. Figma UI. Let's import asset. I guess let's add a image, and let's drag source image. Wait, so I can't drag this in? Drop down arrow. Let's see. Image, source image. These are all PNGs, which mine is a PNG. So can I drag the phone onto this? Why can't I drag phone onto this? Mobile. Keep saying sprite. What is sprite? Let's see. Phone. Sprite. How do I make this a sprite? Let's go check out the mobile. So mobile UI. So what is this? Sprite. What type of object is this? So it looks like they drag the PNG onto it. Or no, they have a sprite. And this is the texture 2D. Create. UI. UI toolkit. UI document, default run theme. I don't know what this is. UI raw image. Try raw image. Drag phone into here. Oh, there we go. Oh shoot, I forgot to remove the edges somehow. Let's see. Let's go to the opposite side. Um, 200 by 300, I don't know. $500 by 300. Okay, delete this. Interesting. Let's try this. Wow, it's taking a while. This is so goofy. Yeah, so this is what it would look like, kinda. Yeah. That's funny. I'll have to change up the input a little bit. I'll have to create a new phone input. But yeah, that's pretty funny. So it does import as like a one single image, so I can't even change it. I'm gonna have to import each individual image, and then what's it called? Reconstruct the phone kind of on Unity if I want to do it this way. But yeah. Well, that's pretty good to know. So now we know that we can create images on Figma. And we're gonna have to import them individually, but yeah. Anyways, that'll be it for now. Today was a pretty relaxed day. But yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Next time we'll work more on this. Maybe trying to do it with like an actual physical 3D object. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.